Hey, listeners, before we get into this episode, we have some fantastic news. You know, my K-12 Developing Mathematical Reasoning, Avoiding the Trap of Algorithms book came out earlier this year. Super excited. It hit top new release and bestseller. Ow! Well, I'm even more excited to announce that the Grade Band companion books are about to be here. The K2 companion book, Developing Mathematical Reasoning, Daily Strategies, Tools, and Activities to Teach the Big Ideas in K2, say that 5 times fast, is coming out soon. And we are having a launch webinar on October 8th at 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Pacific.
And you are all invited to celebrate with us, especially K2 teachers and coaches and math leaders. Pam is going to share tons helpful things to teach K2 math that is more figure-outable.
Yep, I'm going live on October 8th to show you how you can get the most out of teaching our youngest students to math in all the best ways.
You're going to want to join us. To register, go to mathisfigureoutable.com/DMRK2 webinar. We'll see you there.
That's mathisfigureoutable.com/DMRK2 webinar. Now on to the episode. Hey, fellow mathers, welcome to the podcast where math is figure-outable. I'm Pam Harris.
And I'm Kim Montague.
And this episode is a Math Strat Chat episode where we chat about our math strategies. Every Wednesday evening, I throw out a math problem on social media and people from around the world chat about the strategies they use and comment on each other's thinking.
Okay, so this Wednesday, our math problem was a little different. It was, which is more orangey? 30 ounces of orange mix in 50 ounces of water, or 40 ounces of orange mix in 60 ounces of water? Which is more orangey? How would you solve this problem? Pause the podcast, solve it any way you want, and then come on back to hear how we're going to solve it.
Bam. All right, Kim. Woo! Orangey.
I don't really like orangey drinks, so
Can I just give a shout out to CMP Connected Math Project? They had a lovely task all about oranginess that I was thinking about when I wrote these problems. So there you go. Okay, so I don't like orangey either, honestly. No,
what flavor do you like?
I mean, I just drink a lot of water these days.
Yeah.
If I'm drinking something like this, it would be lemonade.
Yeah, same.
Or if I'm drinking something else, it would probably be root beer. Those are my two.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
All right. You want to go first?
Pizza. Pizza has to have root beer.
Pizza.
Must have
pizza.
Root beer. That's about the only time I drink soda anymore these days.
Mm-hmm.
And I grew up calling it pop. Did you ever call it pop?
No,
yeah,
I did not.
I grew up in Idaho.
Mm-hmm.
And then I moved to Texas.
Everything's Coke.
Everything's a Coke. Yep.
Texas.
What kind of Coke do you want?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to go first or you want me to?
Oh, golly. So the first thing
numbers?
I did.
It would tell you the
30.
Numbers
well, here's what I did. I did 30 to 50 and 40 to 60.
Okay.
And the very first thing I did was say, well, 30 to 50 is like 3 to 5, and 40 to 60 is like 4 to 6.
Yeah.
And 4 to 6 is like 2 to 3. So on my paper right now, I've got 3 to 5 and 2 to 3, and I'm asking which one is more orangey. And at the moment, God, the only thing that's coming to mind is that I could compare with 15s.
Okay.
So I could say like 3/5 is equivalent to 5/15, and 2/3 is equivalent to, I'm having to think. Is that
wait,
10?
Did you say 3/5?
Yeah. Oh gosh, no, sorry. Yes, I did, but I was wrong.
Okay.
1/5 is, I'm tired, is 3/15. So 3/1/5 would be 9/15. So I've got 9/15 is like the 30 to 50, and 10/15 is like the 40 to 60. So 10/15 has more orange mix than water than 9/15, 9 to 15. So the 40 to 60 is more orangey. That's all I had today. I don't know. I'm feeling kind of wimpy.
I mean, I think scaling down to scale up for a nice comparison, solid strategy.
All right.
I like it. So these numbers feel percentagey to me. So 30 to 50 is also 3 to 5, which is 60%.
Ugh, I like that.
And then 40 to 60 is like 4 to 6, which is 66%. So the 66% juice.
I like the fact, so on my paper now I have 9/15 and 60% and 10/15 and 66%. I think it's interesting to me how 9/15 felt closer to 10/15 than 66 feels to 66%. But they're not.
Say that.
'cause
Oh, those two fraction comparisons seem closer than the 2%
yeah, it seems like
comparisons.
really close. But
Yeah.
now I'm like, yep, they're 1/15 apart. I guess 1/15 is probably 6%. Well,
Yeah.
6 2/3%.
And I think it's interesting that if you would have said 9/15 and 10/15,
Yeah.
I wouldn't have gravitated probably towards the percents. So then the numbers
Ah.
made it nice percentages. All right,
All
very
right.
good.
Woo.
All right. So we can't wait to see what you do each week. Join us on Math Strat Chat and let us know how you think about the problems and comment on each other's strategies.
Love it when you comment on each other's strategies. Y'all, we post the problems on Wednesdays around 7 p.m. Central. When you answer, tag me and use the hashtag MathStratChat. Then join us here to hear how we're thinking about the problem. We love having you as part of the Math is Figure Outable movement. Math is Figure Outable. Don't forget, go to mathisfigureoutable.com/DMRK2 webinar. Can't believe we gave you a link that long. To register for the free Developing Mathematical Reasoning Daily Strategies, Tools, and Activities to Teach the Big Ideas in K2 book launch webinar taking place on October 8th. That's mathisfigureoutable.com/DMRK2 webinar. We will see you there.